Congratulations to the class of 2021. This is a great time to be entering the healthcare system as a nurse. We've all experienced a lot of chaos in the last couple of years, without doubt. But within chaos, there is always opportunity.
I think the most memorable moment probably came out of just watching the pandemic unfold in the middle of our first year. And I just felt this unspoken connection to everyone. There's this sense of gratitude that I'm so grateful for just being in each other's presence once again. And I think our class will always share this special bond.
I want to become a nurse because of the connection. I think at first it was about connecting the dots between what I was seeing happening with the patient to then seeing what the doctors thought was going on, so connecting that clinical picture. But I think the more I started to further myself into the profession just through placements, I started to value the connection that you make to the patient. Because at the end of the day, we're not always going to have an answer as to why someone is sick or feeling the way they are. But that physical connection that brings you to them and just levels with their humanity makes such a difference. And I think it's really humbling.
Now that I have my degree, I'm looking forward to leisure readings, not required readings. I'm looking forward to having free time, developing a social life again. That's on a personal level, but professionally, I'm looking forward to applying everything that I've learned in the various domains of advanced practice nursing and really seeing where that takes my career.
A memorable moment for me would be in my first placement in the fall of 2020 when I was working at Toronto General Hospital. I did my assessment, I gained my differential diagnosis, my treatment plan, and then I presented it to the nurse practitioner and the physicians. They had amazing feedback from me, and they were very proud of my assessment, and that was like the stepping stone to building my confidence.
I'm particularly proud of our students for their perseverance, but also their flexibility in dealing with program and practicum-related changes. Most importantly, though, I am proud of our students for their collaboration with one another, but also their collaboration with faculty. And I know that this will certainly be of great benefit to them in their future careers.
I do hope that you'll come back to the university to share your newfound knowledge with those that are coming after you. We love to see you at the university as alumni, and I hope that this is so long for now and not goodbye. Congratulations again.
I know that you are going to be successful in your chosen career pathways. And remember, Bloomberg Nursing will always be behind you, supporting you and wanting to see you achieve everything we know that you can.
I just want everybody to seize a moment, and I encourage all my classmates to make the best of this opportunity they have, because I know many people would love to be in our position.
I think when we first started our journey 2 years ago, no one could have imagined the roller coaster ride that this would turn out to be. We stood in the front line as student nurses in the midst of a global pandemic. And we've proven our dedication, our determination, and our resilience as a cohort. So I think today this moment is a monumental accomplishment.
What I would say to my fellow graduates in the class of 2021 is not even a global pandemic could stop us. So look out, world.